Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
तो सबसे पहले जब गाना आता है तो मैं खुद सुनने से पहले उनको फॉरवर्ड करती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे पहली बार में कोई गाना पसंद नहीं आता है. आई एम लाइक ये क्या कुछ नहीं है. सो दिस इज माई रिएक्शन. ये गाना ऐसा था जो मुझे पहली बार में ही अच्छा लगा का. तो मतलब एकदम चिढ़ था आपस में. दे यूज्ड टू हेट ईच अदर. हाउ कैन दे जस्टिफाई अ लव सॉन्ग एंड प्ले अ रोमांटिक कपल. अगर आपने एक किसी प्रोजेक्ट में ऐसा सर्टन रिलेशनशिप प्ले किया है, पोर्ट्रे किया है, जरूरी नहीं है इसका मतलब कि आप उसको स्टैम्प कर दे फॉर एवर कि ये तो यही है. वी कैन ब्रेक दैट स्टीरियोटाइप एंड वी कैन कम आउट एज अ कपल. पिछले 5 महीने में कई बार ऐसा हुआ. You lose it sometimes. You just don't want to do anything and you're so frustrated. And when you have your partner, your loved ones, your family around, you're like, thank God I have them.
You tell me, which Dheeraj do you like? The evil one or this romantic one?
I think
Hello guys, this is Kajal Gupta. Welcome to India Forums. Today I have with me someone who is quite the queen of versatility. From being a household name to giving everyone a good run for their money, from being a trendsetter to walking down the Cannes red carpet, I cannot wait to welcome Hina Khan. Hi Hina, welcome to India Forum.
Hi Kajal, hi. How are you?
I'm good. Firstly, congratulations.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, congratulations on the song Humko Tum Mil Gaye. It is such a beautiful song. So, Hina, firstly, tell me, this song is about love, okay? And the video is dreamy. Like, you and Dheeraj look absolutely amazing. And it's a love song. So, tell me something. How are your loved ones reacting to this song? Has Rocky given you a feedback yet?
Oh, he's seen it long back. Yeah. He loved it. He loves the song. He's a big fan of Mithun, and of course, this song has been composed by Mithun's father, Naresh Sharma ji, and obviously, father-son duo hai. So this song has been sung by Vishal Sharma. Again, he is incredibly great. तो when we heard the song, actually मेरे से ज्यादा गाने की उनको समझ है. तो सबसे पहले जब गाना आता है तो मैं खुद सुनने से पहले उनको फॉरवर्ड करती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे पहली बार में कोई गाना पसंद नहीं आता है. आई एम लाइक ये क्या कुछ नहीं है. So this is my reaction. So he has this sense of music and when he listens to it, he gives me another perspective and he's like, you listen to it again and again. It is a nice song. And ये गाना ऐसा था जो मुझे पहली बार में ही अच्छा लगा और फिर मैंने उन्हें सुनाया. उन्हें भी बहुत बहुत पसंद आया. तो उन्होंने गाना भी ऑब्वियसली बहुत पहले सुन लिया था. प्लस उन्होंने जब गाना देखा, जब पिक्चर आई, जब हमने भी फिल्म द सॉन्ग एंड जब मेरे पास गाना आया, मैंने उनको दिखाया तो उनको काफी पसंद आया. दैट वाज द आई थिंक द फर्स्ट कट जो मैंने उनको दिखाया था. उसके बाद मैंने भी नहीं, मैं भी आज ही देख रही हूँ उसके बाद. बट इट्स लुकिंग रियली ब्यूटीफुल एंड ड्रीमी. So my family's reaction was great. I have not stepped out of my room अभी तक क्योंकि 11 बजे गाना आया है. तो मैं तब से I had to go live. उसके बाद मैं ready हुई. उसके बाद मैं तब से interviews ही कर रही हूँ. So I've not stepped out of my room. So I don't know how my mom came to give me a cup of coffee and she hugged me. तो बस यही पता है मुझे अभी तक. मैंने मेरे डैड को मेरे भाई ने ऐसे पीट किया दरवाजे से और ऐसे हाथ किया और congratulate. मैंने भी हाथ मिलाया और वहीं से चला गया.
Okay, but Hina, the response is amazing, because I know while we are talking, your fans are going to start a trend on social media any minute.
It's already trending, touchwood.
It's already trending, right? So, but Hina, what makes this super special is that your chemistry with Dheeraj was outstanding and what is exciting to me, we recently saw you with Dheeraj in Nagin in a completely different relationship, that was a different bond. So you tell me, which Dheeraj do you like, the evil one or this romantic one?
I think the reason for them to cast us was our love-hate relationship. I was मतलब मेरे पास ये गाना बहुत पहले आया था and उसके बाद नागिन आया. तो फिर नागिन में उन्होंने धीरज को देखा और उसके बाद they came back to me and they said we want to cast Dheeraj opposite you. They were looking for a boy and I was like, okay, cast him. See, मेरा ये था जब उन्होंने मेरे दिमाग में भी धीरज नहीं था, because हमने क्या होता है ना, आप भी उसी तरह से सोचते हो जिस तरह से सब सोचते हैं, लेकिन जब आपको एक और पर्सपेक्टिव मिलता है तो आप रियलाइज करते हो ये क्यों नहीं हो सकता है. तो जब मेरे पास मुझे बोला गया कि we want to cast धीरज opposite you because people really liked your love-hate relationship in Nagin. So I was like, yeah, why not? I gave it a thought and I was like, I think this is the time again to break the stereotypes and break the barriers, जहाँ पर लोग ये सोचते हैं कि अच्छा ये एंटागनिस्ट और प्रोटैगनिस्ट हैं, इनका तो मतलब एकदम चिढ़ था आपस में, they used to hate each other. How can they justify a love song and play a romantic couple? So I thought let's just do it. ये जो एक नॉर्म है इसको ब्रेक करते हैं. And I don't understand tomorrow अगर कोई यंग, आजकल तो मतलब यंग लोग भी, अगर मैं अपनी बात भी करूं, मैंने भी एक मदर का रोल पोर्ट्रे किया है कब, और ज्यादा फर्क नहीं था तब भी, if I talk about the age difference. And आज भी we see in soaps, we see young fathers, young mothers, and मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि what is important is कि आप उसको किस तरह से दर्शाते हैं. अगर आप एक अच्छे एक्टर है ना, tomorrow if I get a song, अगर कभी मैंने suppose to in my show I have played a mom and Rohan was playing my son. आज अगर मुझे रोहन के साथ भी गाना ऑफर होगा, I would love to do it. Yeah. And in fact I would take it, whether it's Rohan. We had Mohsin as well in that show. उसके बाद तो I was मतलब ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं. Everyone was opposite me. So these guys were not opposite me. But I have done a song with Priyank, and I would love to do such songs जहाँ पर मैं ऐसे barriers, ऐसे stereotypes break करूँ, जहाँ पर मैं लोगों को ये दिखाऊं कि अगर आपने एक किसी project में ऐसा certain relationship play किया है, portray किया है, जरूरी नहीं है इसका मतलब कि आप उसको stamp कर दें forever कि ये तो यही है. We can break that stereotype and we can come out as a couple. And if we are good actors, if we can portray, if our chemistry is sizzling, people will accept us. Yeah. So मेरा गोल यही था कि ये बैरियर, ये स्टीरियोटाइप ब्रेक करना है, और मैं एंटागनिस्ट के साथ अपनी केमिस्ट्री दिखाऊंगी, and we'll kill it.
Yeah, and accomplished. And how?
Thank you.
Yeah. So, but Hina, you tell me, the song has a message that love heals all wounds. And, we all know how fragile relationships can be. There are times when partners don't get to spend a lot of time together. So, according to you, what is the key to maintaining that relationship?
See, there are many things, and to be very honest, हमारा जो गाना है, it's not just for couples. Of course, we are a couple in the music video, but हमारा जो गाना है, love can heal all wounds. Love can heal everything around you. It's a message, and that love can be in any form, any person. It can be your parents, your father, your mother, your brother, your friends, your loved ones. It can be anybody. तो हमारा message ये है कि वो थैंक यू बोलना बहुत जरूरी है. If I consider आज की situation, we are in these tough times, COVID surrounding all around us, and then whatever is happening, people are losing it, frustration, suicidal attempts, and a lot of other things are happening. तो मुझे लगता है ऐसे times में एक ऐसा गाना जहाँ पर if we are so lucky, if we have someone to hold on to us, hold our hand. You understand कि we are there for you, we are in this together. तो मुझे लगता है कि ये परफेक्ट टाइम है ऐसे गाने के लिए जहां we have that sort of gratitude and thank you for one another कि हमको तुम मिल गए. We are there for each other. Thank God I have you. You understand? Because I have faced it in these times. Like पिछले 5 महीने में कई बार ऐसा हुआ. You lose it sometimes. You just don't want to do anything, and you're so frustrated. And when you have your partner, your loved ones, your family around, you're like, thank God I have them. ये वक्त कुछ लोगों ने अकेले भी काटा है. Imagine how difficult it must have been for them. So I think this is the perfect time for such a song.
Yeah. So on this note, we're going to tell all our audience that if they have not watched this song, please go watch it. It's out. Yes. And please tell us your review in the comment section below.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. On that note, Hina, I like to tell you, you're quite an all-rounder because, I've been following your stories. You sketch, you sing, and we all know that you can act so well. So you've been quite an all-rounder.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So thank you, Hina, for joining us. Congratulations on the song once again.
Thank you. Bye. Take care.
Bye. Bye.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.